me today? Happy Saturday, guys. Are you ready to get ripped, shredded, shripped? Happy Saturday, shredder. Listen, we're in crazy times, but guess what? You've been training for this. You've been ready for this. You've been going to war with yourself here in the VIP program to come out stripped, shredded, ripped. And I'm here to tell you something. You are getting stronger. Hello, Susan. I'm so happy you're here. Susan, my longtime soldier. Let me tell you something. Right now, you are in alignment with your strength. There is an ascension happening, okay? We are rising up together. Those that are first are now last, okay? Those that are last are now first. Do you see this? All these people that are pouring their millions into these huge resorts, nightclubs, restaurants, all these huge conglomerate, mafia-controlled empires are now crumbling. They can't get people. I'm not to get, too deep into this, but I just want to tell you something. Guys, your time is now. I'm proud of my VIP soldiers. You're here, in it to win it. A couple announcements. Wednesday the 25th at 1:30, Yelly and I will be doing a webinar. Then March 31st, Brooke and me, we're going to be breaking it down. I want you also to understand spring is here. Spring cleaning. Spring has sprung. Change of season. Now is the time to start working on your mental, your mind, body, spirit. It's so exciting to say I am happy. I'm choosing to be happy today. Considering the circumstances, I'm choosing because I got a roof over my head, I have food in the house, I got an at-home training program to keep me swollen, ripped, and shripped. And I'm not sitting on a bike, I'm sitting down, pedaling my little feet. No, I'm using my mind, my body, my spirit. I am kicking my own butt. I am just supercharging my spirit right now. You're on cloud 9. You're flying high. You're in 7th heaven. You're on top of the world. You're walking on air. You're walking on sunshine. You are now over the moon. You are the queen of the world. You are sky high. These are some of the words that I want to really ping with you today because words are powerful. And if you're worried about this and that and the C word, I'm not even going to say it. I don't want to hear it anymore. I want you to use your vocabulary because if you proclaim it, your words are your magic wand. I am healthy. I am strong. I'm boosting my immune system. I feel so good. I'm like an antenna with this, getting all the goodness shooting down to my crown chakra. Okay? Who's with me today? Get having fun. Get having fun. Yes, it's hard right now, so what we got to do is flip it on its back. Flip the beast on its back and say, you know what? You messed with the wrong tribe of women. The VIP sisters are here to kick butt. We've been doing this for years. We've been online. Everyone says, aren't you lonely, JNL? No, because my friends have been online for years. I got relationships with women 10, 11 years here. I love it. I'm so grateful for you. Right now, I want you to use powerful words. I'm cheerful. I'm contented. I'm delighted. I'm ecstatic. I'm elated. I'm joyful. I'm joyous. Delight, great pleasure, jubilation, triumph. Oh my goodness, euphoria, gladness, glee, exhilaration. Oh my goodness, the vibration is, the doors, the gates are trembling and about to break open. Right now, ecstasy. I'm transporting delight to every cell of my body. Rapture, radiance, enjoyment, gratification. Woo! Cloud 9 again. Joy de vivre. C'est la vie, c'est la VIP. C'est la VIP power, guys. VIP power. Your cup runneth over. Whether you believe it or not. Listen, some people ask me, how do I wake up early like you, like a rooster, cockle-doodle-doo? It's simple. Set your alarm. Then when it goes off, get up. There's no magic wand, okay? Am I right or wrong? Good morning, Rita. Listen, nobody's going to do Rita's workout except for Rita. Nobody's going to do Susan's workout except for Susan. No one's going to do Yelly's workout except for Yelly. No one's going to do Sally's workout except for Sally. You have got to man up, woman up, VIP power up in life. Right now, like I said, we have a long road ahead of us, so you've got to choose what side you're on. Being productive or being pathetic. Being victorious in a VIP or playing victim. Right now, I want you to quit being victim. Woe is me, look at the world. Yes, it is what it is, guys. The show goes on, life goes on. You got to pick yourself up by your bootstraps, okay? And get a hold of yourself and get your mindset right for you to toughen the you-know-what up and make it fun. By the way, shout out to all my VIPs making it fun. I see you making your meals for your family. I see you doing your workouts. I see you looking great. I'm out of here in 1 minute, 60 seconds. Limit the bad news intake. Get enough sleep, okay? Reach out to others like in our community. Focus on the positives. Give thanks. Take stock with meditation. I want you to be heavily meditated, not heavily medicated, okay? Right now, let's shake it up and let it burst like a cork, okay? Out of a champagne bottle. Champagne showers right now, but it's healthy for you. And that's it, guys. So what I want to say is the whole world is getting cleaned right now, literally. People are finally washing their hands. People are finally covering their mouths when they sneeze. Thank you, God. And right now, you are cleaning your mind, body, and spirit. I'm so excited. We're going to war today at 8 a.m. I'm excited. Let's do this. I'm so thrilled. If you're not a member, join JNLVIP.com. If you don't have weights, grab anything with a handle, a can of paint, a little carry-on luggage. Put some heavy canned food in there. Get some jugs of water. Get some jugs of non-dairy milk. Get a broomstick. I'm going to show you how to do it if you don't have the weights, okay? Let's do this self-quarantine workouts at JNLVIP.com. It's not an app by some fitness model you don't know. It's not some replay of some regurgitated, highly glamorized content. It's raw, real, uncut, and uncensored, okay? No hand sanitizer needed. Let's go. JNLVIP.com. Look, I'm already sweating. Ugh, feeling great. I'll see you guys at 8 a.m. Let's do this. Yes. Bye, guys. Yelly, Karina.